Do you live anywhere in this red zone? If so, we are looking at a multi-day severe weather threat from the Midwest to the Mid-Atlantic on August 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th, 2026. I'm meteorologist Andrew Markowitz, and here's the full breakdown of what to expect near area. This week will be a battle of air masses with a strong upper level low over Canada facing off with a ridge that extends from coast to coast in the U.S. As we move forward in time, that upper level trough will descend to the south and east. That will lead to changes in our jet stream, and for some places that will bring much cooler weather. Where these boundaries intersect, we will see a series of weak and fast-moving shortwaves that will generally track from the Midwest to the East Coast over the next several days. Each day, this will be manifested as clusters of storms that develop in the warm sector. These clusters may congeal into squall lines, and some of them may be intense and long tracking, although a derecho is not currently anticipated. For Sunday, August 9th, the SPC has a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for this yellow zone that extends from Mankato to Ann Arbor and Toledo. This includes Rochester, Cedar Rapids, Dubuque, the Quad Cities, Madison, Milwaukee, Kenosha, Chicago, Rockford, Peoria, Joliet, Fort Wayne, South Bend, Gary, Muncie, and Kalamazoo, among others. A level 2 out of 5 slight risk also covers this yellow zone in the Dakotas. The most widespread concern will be for damaging straight line winds, most likely in this yellow zone. Whereas in North and South Dakota, the main threat is going to be for large and destructive hail, which could reach baseball size in the most intense cells in this hatched area. There's also potential for a couple tornadoes in this green zone between eastern Iowa and northwest Ohio. For Monday, August 10th, the SPC has a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for this yellow zone that covers parts of Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Michigan, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia. This includes Chicago, Rockford, Peoria, Indianapolis, Fort Wayne, South Bend, Muncie, Terre Haute, pretty much the entire state of Ohio, Wheeling, Morgantown, and Pittsburgh, among others. A level 1 out of 5 margin risk in dark green extends as far north as Detroit and all the way to New York City, Philadelphia, and Washington, D.C. Once again, the main concern is for damaging straight line winds, most likely in this yellow area. There's also potential for a few tornadoes in this green zone, which stretches from Peoria to the northwest Pittsburgh suburbs. This area includes Joliet, Kankakee, Fort Wayne, Gary, Muncie, Carmel, Lafayette, Columbus, Cleveland, Dayton, and Akron, among others. For Tuesday, August 11th, storms are expected to take a more northwest to southeast trajectory, extending from central Illinois to the Shenandoah Valley. This includes Peoria, Indianapolis, Bloomington, Kokomo, Louisville, Lexington, Columbus, Cincinnati, Dayton, pretty much all of West Virginia, and Harrisonburg, among others. Damaging winds will once again be the main concern, but there could be a couple tornadoes in the Ohio Valley. And for Wednesday, August 12th, the SPC is now showing elevated severe weather potential in this yellow zone that extends from southeastern Ohio to the Chesapeake Bay. This covers Athens, the entire state of West Virginia, Richmond, Roanoke, Charlottesville, Washington, D.C., Waldorf, Rockville, Frederick, and Hagerstown, among others. Additionally, these storms may contain heavy downpours, which could produce localized flash flooding in this yellow area. Please stay safe, and for continuous coverage of severe weather all around the world, please make sure to follow me on all social media platforms so you can stay weather aware.